Hi guys, welcome to day 12 of placement series, and in this question we are going to solve one more lead code problem. This is a lead code easy problem based on hash maps. So in this problem we are given a string s. S is just a array of characters, and we need to find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. Suppose like here, if we count the repetence of each of the character, L is just once, E is repeating thrice, T is once, C is once. So the first non-repeating character is L. So we have to return the index of that character. And if it does not exist, we return -1. So if we try solving it with brute force approach, then we can just run two loops. We can just run two loops from 0 to n and 1 to n, and for every loop we just count how many times each character is repeating, and we update it in a array, but it will be big of n square. So slightly optimized approach is using a hash map, and we store the count of every character, and that will be big of n. So if we see here, this is the code snippet. So this is the string, and first we create this unordered map character comma int. So character will be our key and int will be our value, and we name this as hmap, and this is the s dot size. Now in the first loop we go from 0 to n, and we store the occurrence of each of the character. So if we traverse from 0 to n, first one we get L, and we update L, the value of the key of L. So if it is not there, we just do plus plus, and here we will get L. The L is the key and value will be 1. And second, again the I becomes 1. So S of 1 is E, and Hmap of E plus plus will be E1. Now again we find E, so this will be again count increased, so this will become 2. Now T is not present, so T will be 1. C is not present, so C will be 1. O is also not present. D is not present, and E again, so this will be incremented to 3. Now since we got the occurrences of each of the character, we run a loop again in this string, not in the hash map, and if we check the condition, if hmap of s of I equal to 1, if we hmap of s of 0 means hmap of L, and hmap of L will be 1, and 1 equal to 1, then we return the index, that is I. So we loop through the whole string and check if the value of that key is 1. If it is 1, then we return the index. Otherwise we come out of the loop and we return -1. So this is the solution. Thank you.